Free Profit Automation Webinar. How Retirees Can Make Money Online with Dr. Charles Edrims. Let me ask you something very honest. After everything you've done in life, after all the years of working, building, and providing, why does the future still feel uncertain? Why does retirement feel more stressful than restful? If you're watching this video, chances are you're in your late 50s or early 60s, retired, or very close to it. And there's one question you don't always say out loud, but you think about often. What happens if my money is not enough? Let me tell you about someone you'll likely relate to. Meet Mr. Musa. He's 59 years old, married, 4 children, lives in Abuja, a retired road construction professional, well-educated, with a master's degree. For decades, he worked hard, long hours, tough conditions. He helped build roads people still use today. But retirement didn't bring peace. It brought pressure. Income became unpredictable. Savings started reducing faster than planned. Every unexpected expense felt heavy. And deep down, he realized something painful. When the job stopped, the income slowed down. This is not a personal failure. It's a system problem. For most of our lives, we're taught one thing: work hard, earn money, repeat. But no one teaches us how to earn without working every day. That's where automation comes in. And that's exactly what the Profit Automation Masterclass by Dr. Charles Edrims is designed to teach. This is not another online promise. It's a practical masterclass built on real-world business experience, proven automation models, data-driven marketing strategies, digital economy trends, case studies, and real examples. Everything is tested. Everything is simplified. Now, let's talk about what you might be thinking right now. Will this really work for me? That fear is normal, because you've seen too many online courses, too many gurus, too many big promises that led nowhere. You may even think, I'm not good with technology. That's okay. This course was designed for beginners. No tech background needed. No complicated systems. Everything is explained in clear, simple English. You're guided step by step, without confusion. Another thought you may have is, I don't have time to learn something complicated. That's exactly why automation matters. The goal is not to keep you busy. The goal is to help you build something once that continues to work over time. So instead of trading hours for income, you build systems that support you. Let's talk about the real challenges many people face. You may be working hard but still struggling financially, living with unpredictable income, confused by too much online information, afraid of scams and fake promises, lacking a clear mentor or roadmap, doubting yourself after past failures. And the worst part, you want freedom, but you don't know how to get there. That feeling alone is draining. The Profit Automation Masterclass removes that confusion. It focuses on simplicity over complexity, honesty over hype, practical results over theory. You are not just told what to do. You are taught why it works. This builds confidence. This course is also about values. It believes in ethical and sustainable income building, long-term thinking, growth mindset, community, and support. You are not alone. You learn from real examples, real case studies, and proven systems. Now comes the decision point. Most people hesitate here. They ask, is the price worth it? What if I fail again? Is this just another online course? Let me ask you something instead. What's the cost of doing nothing? Another year of uncertainty? Another year of financial pressure? Another year of depending on income that can stop anytime? Here's the good news. Before you commit to anything, Dr. Charles Edrims is hosting a free webinar class. In this webinar, you'll learn how profit automation really works, why most people fail online, simple systems beginners can start with, how to build income without tech stress, how to regain control of your financial future. No cost, no pressure, just clarity. So here's your next step. Click the link in the video description below. Register for the free webinar by Dr. Charles Edrims. You've worked hard all your life. Now it's time to work smart. Let systems work for you. Click the link below, and I'll see you inside the webinar.